This is the 8BitDo Retro Mechanical Keyboards M Edition. This isn't just any keyboard, it's a blend of modern tech and retro charm. Imagine a keyboard that boasts a whopping 200-hour battery life, Kale box white V2 switches for that satisfying clicky feel, and versatile connectivity options including Bluetooth and wired USB connection. Plus, it has hot swappable switches and unique programmable super buttons as well. So, let's dive into detailed review of these features and see whether this matches your style and needs. And if you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving it a like and subscribing. The 8BitDo is known for its retro-inspired designs, and the M Edition is no exception. This keyboard takes cues from the classic IBM Model M, but doesn't fully adopt its iconic design. Instead, it subtly nods to the past with its color scheme, chunky build, and typeface selection. Even the tab key's arrows are a throwback. One thing to note is that the M Edition doesn't feature the buckling spring switches that made the original IBM Model M famous. Instead, it uses Kale box white V2 switches. These are modern mechanical switches known for their clicky and light feel. They provide a crisp and tactile experience, but if you're after the heavy, distinct feel of buckling springs, this might not quite scratch that itch. But these switches are hot swappable, which means you can easily replace them if you prefer something different. So, if you ever feel like switching up your typing feel, just pop in a new set of switches without a fuss. One of the standout features of the M Edition is the inclusion of the detachable A and B super buttons. These buttons connect via a 3.5mm jack, and they are programmable without any software. This feature adds a unique touch, catering to those who enjoy customizing their setup. Imagine assigning those buttons to your favorite shortcuts, maybe one for opening your go-to music app, and another for launching your work email. The keyboard also supports N-key rollover, which is essential for fast typists and gamers who need accurate key registration. Speaking of gaming, it's clear that 8BitDo has kept gamers in mind with this design. The keyboard's tanky-less layout and the absence of a numpad help in saving desk space and giving you all the mouse space you need. However, for those who need a numpad, 8BitDo offers a portable numpad that connects via Bluetooth or cable. It does come at an extra cost of $45, which might be a bit steep for some. The keycaps are another area where the M Edition shines. These keycaps are double shot like the true Model M's were, but the new keyboard uses cheaper ABS plastic instead of PBT. This might be a slight letdown for those who are particular about their keycap material, as ABS can become shiny with prolonged use. But if you're typing up your next big project, or pulling an all-nighter gaming, the durable legends mean you won't be squinting to find your keys anytime soon. When it comes to build and design, the M Edition is fairly compact for a 10-keyless keyboard. It measures about 14.8 by 6.7 inches, with 1.8-inch thickness, and weighs a solid 1050 grams. While it captures some of the retro aesthetic, I personally would have loved to see a bit more commitment to the weight reduction. However, the compact design is practical for modern setups, where desk space is at a premium. Imagine having a clutter-free desk with just your essentials. The M Edition fits right in, leaving you plenty of room for your coffee cup, phone, and other gadgets. Connectivity options on this keyboard are quite versatile. It supports Bluetooth 5.0 with a 2.4 GHz wireless dongle and a wired USB. This makes it compatible with Windows 10 and above, as well as Android 9.0 and newer devices. The battery life is impressive, with up to 200 hours of use on a single charge. That's pretty substantial for those who don't want to be constantly plugging in their keyboard. So who is this keyboard for? If you're someone who enjoys a touch of retro flair but doesn't want to compromise on modern functionality, the 8BitDo Retro Mechanical Keyboards M Edition could be a great choice. It offers a nostalgic nod to the past while incorporating features that are relevant today, like hot swappable switches, versatile connectivity, and impressive battery life. Imagine having a piece of tech that not only looks cool but also keeps up with your daily demands, whether you're coding, writing, or all-night gaming. As for my final verdict, the 8BitDo Retro Mechanical Keyboards M Edition is a solid choice for those looking to blend a bit of retro charm with modern features. It's heavy and not 100% perfect, but it offers a good balance of style, functionality, and affordability. Whether you're a casual user, a gamer, or someone who just loves mechanical keyboards, it's worth considering. So thanks for watching, my friends. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you think about the 8BitDo Retro Mechanical Keyboards M Edition, or if there are other keyboards you'd like me to review. Until next time, happy typing!